TV. Today I will be showing you how to use the Fluke 62 Max Plus Series infrared thermometer. The Fluke 62 Max Plus can determine the surface temperature by measuring the amount of infrared energy radiated by the target's surface. They have dual rotating lasers to help identify the area to be measured. The measurement area is the spot between the dots. Before using the infrared thermometer, it is important to read all safety warnings and instructions to prevent any damage to the product and harm to the user. The trigger button turns on the device, and if I hold the button, I can get a temperature reading. While holding the trigger, the scan on top will flash and the temperature will be displayed. When I release the trigger, the scan will turn to hold and keep the current readings. The average temperature can be found below. I can push the select button to see additional features. This includes the difference between two temperature readings, the maximum temperature reading, and the minimum temperature reading. The 62 Max Plus has a large backlit display. The display is selectable by pushing the select button until I get to the light display. I can push the set button to toggle the backlight on or off. If I pushed select once more, the screen will display LAS for laser. This can be toggled on and off with the set button. The next settings are for the alarm functions. I can turn on the high alarm by pushing set and adjusting the value by pushing the up and down arrows. When my desired value is reached, I can push the select button for the alarm low function. I can turn this on the same way by pushing the set key and then find the value with the up and down arrows. With the alarm features on, the alarm on the bottom will flash when the temperature exceeds the high value or goes below the low level. The next setting is the EMS or emissivity. This can be set to 10 to 100% and is the ratio of energy radiated by a particular material to energy radiated by a black body at the same temperature. The more reflective the material is, the lower emissivity. The next setting I can change is the unit of temperature. I can change this from Celsius to Fahrenheit with the set key. Fluke 62 Max Plus Series infrared thermometer, along with thousands of other products and services, are available at Galco.com.